Miguel Arroyo. Alam niyo, just recently, 2 minuto lang ito. The idea for this movie was had when former President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, FG Arroyo, and I, together with some friends, were in Prague. And we were fated by the embassy, of course, since GMA was the former president. And then nagbigay sila sa amin ng mga istorya ng mga Czech women falling in love with Filipino men for some reason. So sabi namin, since the 50th anniversary of diplomatic relations between the Czech Republic and the Philippines was coming up, it's this year, we thought of doing this movie to as a celebration of that relation, special relations between the two countries. And you know, FG Arroyo is just like a father to me. He's my second father. Since my father passed away in 2015, he's been like a father to me. He's been guiding me, giving me advice. So let's all give him a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. It stars movie, of course, we have the other producers. May I first of all on the stars, we have Ms. Ina Zimmerman. She's over here. Please come forward. Who else are here? Mr. Marco Gomez. Marco, halika rito. Ina, sino ba ang mga nandun? Si Doc Che, of course. Of course, come here. Doc Che, si Carding. And of course, si Paolo Gumabaw. Take a bow. Take a bow, guys. Take a bow. And of course, this movie would not have been possible without people who put their faith in this project. May I call on Mr. Mohit Dargani? Mohit, please come over. Anything por favor, mi amigo? My good friend, RJ Samonte. Yung iba po ng producers natin, Mr. Kenneth Ke is in Taipei right now on business. Of course, we have FG Arroyo. So, partner, come here and I hope you like the movie. How did you like it? Honest opinion. Thank you so much. And of course, Jessie Vidal. Come here, Jessie. That lovely lady who sang the theme song and who is going to be, hopefully, the next big star with the help of Borracho Films and Borracho Artists and Talents, also called Borat. Nagkataon na yun, ha? Kaya ang battle cry namin ay palakihin ang Borat. Of our director, whom I will be working with, of course, together with the best director of the movie of the year for Star Awards, Direct Lester Guimarañan, ladies and gentlemen. Signore, per favore.
Sir Paolo.
Grazie. Please come over. Mr. Paolo Di Maratono. We will be doing a sexy sci-fi horror again. Hopefully, if the schedule permits, starring Paolo Gumabaw ulit. Pabili ko si Paolo and see why. Mahal na mahal ko yan at mahal din niya ako. Challenges, well, dito wala masyado, of course. We are on home territory. But in Prague, first of all, we had to shoot in the dead of winter. Grabe yung lamig. Urong ang yadballs ko ron. Bago. Natumba pa. If you see that I'm walking with a limp, natumba pa ako dahil sa tindi ng Prague. Grabe ang challenges doon. And ang hirap pong kumuha ng permit sa Prague. Hindi ganun kasimple. Lalo na rin sa Charles Bridge. But the people of Prague were very warm. Miss Sara Sandeva was very welcoming. Pinakain pa kami doon sa restaurant ng tatay niya. And then, talagang, ang maganda lang doon, unlike here, pag nag-shoot ka sa Prague, ang daming incentives for you to shoot in Prague. Kaya maganda din yung kanilang film industry. Di katulad dito. Ang incentives dito, 3 taon bago maibigay ng Film Development Council of the Philippines. Pero daw subsidy, pero napakatagal na ibigay. Kaya nagkakandaletse-letse ang film industry natin eh. That's why we're not producing quality films. Kaya ang hinahanap kasi, yung kumita agad. Kasi walang incentive eh. The film industry is left on its own. Kita nyo, noong 60s, 70s, 80s, leading sa Asia. Nag-e-export na tayo ng movies.
Well, una sa lahat, sobrang dream come true kasi tagal ko na talagang pinangarap na makagawa ng pelikula sa ibang bansa. Pero, siguro, kung masasabi ko is, sobrang dami. Ang hirap pala